Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Windsor is a historic town located in Hants County, Nova Scotia, at the junction of the Avon and St. Croix rivers. With a population of approximately 4,000 people, Windsor serves as a regional centre for business, education, and services in the western part of the province. Its location at the gateway to the Annapolis Valley has made it an important community for more than 2 centuries. Long before European settlement, the area was home to the Mi'kmaq people, who used the rivers and surrounding lands for travel, fishing, hunting, and trade. The Avon River provided an important transportation corridor connecting inland communities with the Bay of Fundy. The natural resources of the region supported indigenous communities for thousands of years before the arrival of settlers from Europe. European settlement began during the 18th century. Following the arrival of New England planters after the expulsion of the Acadians, the fertile land surrounding Windsor became an important agricultural district. Farmers benefited from rich soils and access to transportation routes, helping establish the area as one of Nova Scotia's earliest farming regions. One of the most important landmarks in Windsor is Fort Edward. Established in the year 1750, the fort played a significant role during the colonial period and remains one of the oldest surviving blockhouses in North America. Today, Fort Edward is a National Historic Site and provides visitors with a connection to the early history of Nova Scotia and British North America. Education has also played a major role in the development of Windsor. King's Edgehill School, founded in 1788, is widely recognized as the oldest independent school in Canada. The school attracts students from across Canada and around the world, contributing to the town's educational and cultural character. The economy of Windsor has evolved over time. Early industries included agriculture, shipbuilding, forestry, and trade. During the 19th century, the town became an important transportation centre due to its river connections and railway access. Today, healthcare, education, retail, construction, agriculture, and tourism are among the sectors that support the local economy. Windsor also serves as a gateway to the Annapolis Valley and the Bay of Fundy region. Visitors can easily access wineries, orchards, historic sites, and outdoor recreation areas from the town. The nearby Minas Basin, known for having some of the highest tides in the world, is one of the region's most remarkable natural attractions. Housing in Windsor remains relatively affordable compared to larger urban centres in Nova Scotia. The housing stock includes historic homes, modern subdivisions, and rural properties on the outskirts of town. Average home prices generally range from $350,000 to $550,000, depending on location, size, and condition. Waterfront properties and larger homes may command higher prices. Today, Windsor combines a rich history with modern amenities and a strong sense of community. Its historic landmarks, educational institutions, agricultural surroundings, and connection to the Bay of Fundy make it one of the most interesting towns in Nova Scotia. Whether exploring its history, enjoying outdoor recreation, or experiencing the beauty of the Annapolis Valley, Windsor continues to play an important role in the province's cultural and economic landscape. Thanks for watching!